Hello guys, Foxy Weather here, and things are starting to get pretty sexy right here. As you can see, this is what the Orion model was forecasting. As you can see, so you can see this has developed, and some very heavy rain, to be honest, moving east north, and so, yeah, it's raining very decently though, and it has been since 6 o'clock, to be fair. I thought there was a car behind, it's not. But things are looking pretty nice, to be fair. I'll show you the Rome model, it's pretty much the same, so Rome has obviously won. So this would mean 15 to 25 millimeters, probably. So this is good. And also strong winds tomorrow morning. You can see, winds are calm as anything. No wind, nothing. Oh shoot, my feet are wet. United Kingdom. Yeah, it's raining very nicely. But yeah, I'll show you the road. Most models have heavy rain for us anyways. But this one is the one that's right. As you can see. At that time, you can see this develops. And that. So later on, that. But unfortunately, I can't go any further. But we got this rain till like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, to be honest. So, you know, things are looking pretty nice. And by tomorrow morning, we've probably beaten the January. What's that noise? Okay, I've been hearing a lot of weird stuff. We've had helicopters today. It's raining nicely though. Quite heavy though. So that's that. Also, I was recording, but I by mistakenly had my phone off, which is really irritating. You can see it's raining. It's not snowing. It might look like it, but it is raining quite heavy, to be fair. Quite nicely. So yeah, you can tell. Wish I could show you, but you can see. Actually, you know what? Why haven't I got my torch on? Silly me. Oh, who's making fires? Okay. There, have it there so I don't buy mistakenly. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, nice thick raindrops. You can see. This drain is filling up. This will be filled up in probably half an hour or in an hour, to be fair. Probably that. God, it smells of smoke. You can see on camera it's raining a lot now. So things are looking pretty sexy, you know. So we've got heavy rain all night tonight. Then we've got strong winds in the morning. But on Saturday we've also got the same thing, but this band of rain could bring a squall line with it. Squall lines are fairly easy to forecast, but timings of it, very hard. But for a squall line like that, it's like pretty easy, especially in like 2 days' time. It's like, yep, we're gonna get a squall line with that. Hopefully I didn't block the mic like I do sometimes. But you know, oh, standing in the puddle. But you know. That's already really wet. This was actually shaping up to be a very boring week, like literally a week ago. It's January, it's actually, you know, of course it's a lot better than last January already, let's say. More unsettled weather. It's in my breath. Let's hope a car doesn't come in here, because if it does, then that'll be chavs. Pardon me. Foxes do burp, you know. God, my feet are wet. Look, they're wet. They're not muddy though. but they're wet. But it's fine, at least enough. God, this rain's really getting heavy now. There's going to be some really bad flooding issues. Even though we haven't had much rain, but we've had a lot of cloud drizzle. It drizzled yesterday, though. We've had at least some... Oh, God, no. Okay, thank God. I got worried then. I don't want to get jumped. I mean, I live in Wolseley. It's a very nice area. We don't really get horrible people, you know. But, you know, we do get car theft, burglaries and stuff. Most of that, really. Just antisocial behaviour like vandalism and nuisance. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. But getting mugged here, pretty rare. Very unlikely. But yeah, just don't try and intimidate them. God, it's so wet already. Even though it hasn't rained much. And not very long. But we did have rain 2 days ago. But yeah. Even though the rivers are normal, ground's still saturated. And rivers are obviously sensitive to the rain. So it's going to shoot right up. I reckon the brook tomorrow. And I just had an echo effect over there, which was weird. I think I talked a bit too loud for a second. That way. But the rivers are definitely going to hit the flood warnings again. Like, probably the whole country, to be fair. Like, at least one flood alert in every county of England. Of course, this is still going to be low, you know. But this will rise. Because this goes all the way into the field, so the water fills up there. And also from here, you can see already, that's filling up with water quite nicely. You can see there, water's pouring out on there. Oh, my feet are soaked. I haven't walked really into any puddles, just the rain itself. I hate walking through this alley, but you can see. It's really nice. Let's just put it there. You can see here. See, it's developing. Winds are calm as hell. Well, I wouldn't say exactly calm. But, well, pretty much. But the gust is like 1 mile an hour. Can't see any movement. It's going to be a different story tomorrow morning. Let me just show you the Met Office app. Oh, I can't be bothered walking down that alley. So you know what? I'm going to go through this way. Show you. So the Met Office one's wrong, but it does show heavy rain still on here. It's nowhere near what it's looked like. Look, nowhere near. As you can see, comparison to that. Of course, you know, it still shows heavy rain. Oh yeah, rain tomorrow. Listen to the water. You can hear that's filling up nicely. Yeah, I got more rain tomorrow. Friday, sunny. Saturday, very windy then. we get the rain in the night. So a nighttime squall line again, by the looks of it. Remember that squall line we had? That was pretty good. That was good. Oh, it smells. I love chippy. My local fish and chip shop is great. You should go and try it. Of course, if you do live in my area or in Warwickshire, you know, you should come and try it. It's great. Great stuff. It's called Village Green Fish Bar. Go and try it. They are amazing. They are the best. Village Green Fish Bar. Go over there in Walston. You will love it. Make sure you go around midweek. Don't go on the, you know, Friday or weekend because it's very busy. But around now, this time of the week, it's fine. Yeah, you will definitely like it. It's best. Never had problems with them. You know. I really want one now. Oh god, umbrella. Oh my god, I'm getting wet because the rain's drifting inside. Already some spray. Wonder when they're going to take the tree down. But obviously when you do come towards them, turn right or left from the co-op, you should come by the brook. It's quite obvious. Go, if you see the brook, go that way. Then just turn into one of that road park up, going to chip in. You know, you'll find it's pretty easy because you've got the brook. So if you do live in my area, then yeah, go there. It's nice if you haven't tried it. I'm just gonna say, if you think, oh, small chips, trust me, small chips are freaking massive. You get loads from that. You'll get a big portion of chips. Large fish, small fish, you know. It's very good and it's not expensive either. This puddle's filling up quickly though, look at it. %. Oh, they're fitting using new lights. So yeah, do expect videos overnight. The rain. I have been staying up late for the past since New Year's Eve, to be fair. Just watching documentaries and stuff. My favourite. Rain. It's getting heavier. Oh bloody hell! Oh crap! Well, tangled, I wouldn't say tangled. Right, that guy was having a sing along. I thought he was talking to me. Drains are filling up quick. And we've got so much more. So yeah, flooding issues are definitely going to be a problem in the morning and overnight, and tomorrow too. God, it's so wet. Told you the ground's very sensitive. Saturation. Ow, I just hit myself on the umbrella pole on the head. Hope there's no chavs there. God, I'd love to make a right mess. This song's actually not bad. I mean, that's like the trash the place. What time is it? Not yet, they'll come out later. God, that garage is bright when you shine the torch at it. Right, I'm going to end the video here. Please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, this rain, it was looking good, and the wind too. So yeah, goodbye.